Mysticism, the hidden path that transcends ritual, doctrine, and dogma. It is a journey of the soul seeking union with divine, self realization, and the ultimate truth. Across centuries, mystics have walked paths of profound experience, insight, and transformation. Today, we explore three of the world's greatest mystical traditions: Sufism, Kabbalah, and Vedanta. What is mysticism? Mysticism is the direct experience of the sacred, the divine, or the ultimate reality. Unlike religion, which often emphasizes external practices, mysticism focuses on inner experience, direct knowledge of the divine, transformation of consciousness. It is a path where the seeker moves from the mind to the heart, from the world of forms to the eternal essence. Sufism is the mystical heart of Islam. Its essence is love for the divine, often expressed through poetry, music, and meditation. Sufi mystics, Sufism, its essence is love for the divine, often expressed through poetry, music, and meditation. Sufi mystics seek to dissolve the ego, transcending the self to unite with God. Famous Sufis like Rumi and Hafiz taught that love is the bridge between humanity and the divine. The Sufi path shows that spiritual awakening is found in love, devotion, and surrender. Kabbalah is the mystical tradition of Judaism. It explores the nature of God, the universe, and the human soul. The tree of life, central to Kabbalah, represents the journey from the material reality to spiritual perfection. Through meditation on sacred texts, symbols, and divine names, Kabbalists seek direct experience of God's presence and the hidden truths of creation. Kabbalah teaches that divine is both within and beyond, and the soul's journey is to awaken to that reality. Vedanta is a mystical tradition of Hinduism. It teaches that soul, the Atma, is identical with ultimate reality, that is Brahman. Through meditation, self-inquiry, and devotion, seekers aim to transcend ignorance, realize the self, and experience oneness with all existence. Vedantic teaches emphasizes self-realization as the ultimate goal, liberation from cycles of birth and death, that's Mukhya, experiencing the eternal truth beyond the mind and the senses. Vedanta shows that ultimate journey is within, to discover the infinite in oneself. Through these paths arises in different cultures and religions. Though these paths arises in different cultures and religions, they share core principles: the transcendence of ego and self-centered desires, direct experiential knowledge of the divine, love, compassion, and inner transformation are central to spiritual life. Mysticism teaches that truth is not only to be believed but experienced, that the divine is encountered within and beyond the self. Mystical practices guide seekers along the inner path: meditation and contemplation, chanting or mantra recitation, devotional acts and surrender, study of sacred text with deep reflection. These practices transform the mind, purify the heart, and awaken the soul to the mystery of its very existence. In a world dominated by technology and distractions, mysticism that reminds us of the inner journey. It teaches that the divine is not only found in temples, synagogues, but in every moment of conscious, loving awareness. Through mystical insight, we learn to live with purpose, embrace compassion, connect with sacred in daily life. Mysticism is a path to the heart of reality, a journey beyond spiritual into the eternal presence of the divine. Whether through Sufism, Kabbalah, or Vedanta, the seekers learn the same truth. The divine is within, the soul is eternal, and awakening is possible for all. Pause, reflect, begin your inner journey. Because mysticism is not about belief, it's about experience, transformation, and union with the eternal.